Antique Reproduction Light Switches specializes in manufacturing reproduction light switches and electrical fixtures designed to match the aesthetics of historic buildings. Their product line includes a wide range of light switches in various styles. Firstly, classic flip switches. These switches are modeled after the classic toggle switches found in homes and businesses built in the early 20th century. Secondly, push-button switches. These feature a single or dual-button design and evoke the look and feel of switches from the Victorian era. Thirdly, rotary switches. These switches are designed to resemble the rotary switches that were popular in the 1920s and 1930s. Antique reproduction light switches are made from durable materials like brass, porcelain, and cast iron. They are available in a variety of finishes, including polished brass, antique brass, brushed nickel, oil rub bronze, white porcelain, and ivory porcelain. Two of their products, the brass push-button single switch and the brass push-button dual switch, are currently pending Underwriters Laboratories approval. This means that these switches have met the safety and performance requirements established by Underwriters Laboratories, but they have not yet received the official Underwriters Laboratories certification. Antique reproduction light switches products are typically sold through specialty lighting and home decor retailers. You can also find them online at the Antique Reproduction Light Switches website and other online retailers.